Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, World Digital Skilling Oneself. I am Walton Doom, the CEO of World Digital. I'm sure you have been enjoying our skills, our tutorials on your YouTube channel. So you're welcome once more to my YouTube channel, World Digital Skilling Oneself. So I'm going to advise you all to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell in order to receive all our updates. So today, guess what? Do you know what I'm going to show you today? I'm going to be teaching you how to create your custom WhatsApp stickers. Isn't that interesting? It is interesting. So let's ride on. I'm going to show you how to create your WhatsApp sticker. Hello, great minds. You're welcome to another tutorial from World Digital Skilling Oneself. So today I'm going to be drilling you on how to create your custom WhatsApp stickers. So if you observe carefully, keenly, watch closely, these are what we call stickers. Okay, these are what we call stickers. So I'm going to show you how to create your own custom WhatsApp stickers. So for example, just observe here. If you look here, when you click, you'll see the stickers. Okay, and these are other stickers. So these other stickers in Dooms TV is being used for my WhatsApp TV. I'm sure you all know what WhatsApp TV is all about. You broadcast information on the status in order for people to perform various actions like view, entertainment, and equally purchase many things from you. Okay, so that's why I teach digital skills, and I equally help people to monetize their skills or whatever thing they have by contacting me, and I run them on my WhatsApp TV. Because when I run your activities, your services on my WhatsApp TV, I help position you well in the market. I equally help to increase your sales and makes you have more money. So I will encourage you all to contact me and use my status, which I call Dooms TV. So in this digital world, you have to be smart. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create your custom WhatsApp stickers. So for you to create a custom WhatsApp stickers, just right away we'll go right on. We'll look for the app. We'll download the app Sticker Maker. If you're not having it, you go to Play Store and you'll download it. Okay, so this is how the interface appears. I have been creating a lot of stickers already. So for you to start creating one, you click on create new sticker pack. Okay, at this level you give a sticker pack name. Click, I'll type for example World Digital. Now sticker pack author. I'll type CEO World Digital. CEO World Digital. You are supposed to give the sticker pack name. I call it give the sticker pack author. And now you click on create. Yeah, click on create. Please be attentive. If it's your first time watching my YouTube channel, I will advise you to click on the like, the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell in order to receive all our updates. All those likes, subscribe buttons, and the notification bell are found just below this tutorial. So have a close watch. So I have already created, this is the name. So I click on World Digital up here. So at this level now you have this interface. Okay, so it means you can create as many stickers as you wish. You see, you can create up to 30 stickers if you wish in this pack. So at the beginning here we have what we call tray icon. So you are supposed to give an icon to your sticker pack. Now I'll select file. It depends. You go, which icon do you want to use? For example, this is an image of me, World Digital. So I need to use an icon. For example, down here we have freehand. If we have freehand, but I would not like to use the freehand, we can take Smart Select. It will select the image automatically, you see. But I will click on try again. I cancel. You click on select all. For example, you see that selected all. So it depends which one you like. You can equally rotate. Okay, I've clicked on rotate. Is it good? No. I'll click rotate. I have to balance it back. Rotate. For example, I'm just rotating. Rotate. So you can rotate. So but this time around I need to be like this. So I'll click on select all here. It has selected all. Now you click on save sticker. So this will be our tray icon. So this image that I've just inserted will be our tray icon. Okay, I will show you that much better in WhatsApp. Okay, so now our first sticker. Now what do? I'll click here. I will take, for example, I'll select an image. I'll use this other image. See, for example, I want to create a sticker. So this is the CEO of World Digital, Walter Doom. Okay, I will take select all, for example, because I want to use all this image. And now if you look above here, we have add text, we have outline. So it depends. Now look, let's click on outline and see what it does. Outline, it means you can add. Are you seeing what outline does? The outline width is doing. So you can choose the color here. You can choose color. You align with the red color. You see, so as graphic designer, so you have to know how to manipulate colors. Okay, and in one of my tutorials you would see how to manipulate colors. So I don't want to put any outline. I will allow. So I will just click on add text. For example, I'll click on add text. I will type what I want to attach to this image. You can see to learn skills, to learn digital skills. For example, DM +237 675 88 0118. Okay, and now you can work with a color. You can work with the colors. So I will prefer that we use blue, because if you observe keenly, the shirt that I'm putting behind is blue. So you can equally manipulate the text. You can change the text here, down here at this level. This round, this with T here. This round circle, this white round circle with T. You can change the text. Okay, you see which one suits you. Okay, now here. Wow, see, you can manipulate them here. You see, so which one is good for you? Is it multicolor background for your text? Okay, this one good. See, this one's good. So okay, I hope this one looks short. Okay, let's keep this general color that can tie. Now you click above here, this tick here, so it means you've accepted it. So now we try to resize it. For example, I'll position it here. You see, I position this is my sticker that I've created. I position it here, so it depends. You can place like this, but as a graphic designer, you have to equally make sure that it should look attractive and it should be communicative. Okay, so for example, this is a sticker that I've created, and now you click on save sticker. Okay, the sticker has been saved already in this our tray. So we have already one sticker already that we've generated, so you can generate many stickers that you want. Okay, so after you have generated, you have created the stickers that you want, you click on add to WhatsApp. Okay, and let me make sure that I've on my data. I'll add to WhatsApp. So it's going. Okay, and now since I'm using two WhatsApp, you say which WhatsApp should I add it to? So I will take this other one. Would you like to add World Digital to WhatsApp? You click on add. Yes, World Digital has been added to WhatsApp. Okay, so it has been added. So let's check if this sticker has been added to WhatsApp with the train name World Digital. Okay, let's write on. We go to WhatsApp, we'll click WhatsApp, for example. Okay, this is one of my teaching forum, World Digital. I teach digital skills, so I teach mostly on WhatsApp platform and other platforms. So I will encourage you all to enroll into one of my premium platforms. Okay, and don't forget to click on the like, subscribe button and turn on the notification bell if you have not done so. You can only do so just once. If you click on subscribe twice, you instead unsubscribe yourself. So make sure that you have subscribed just once and you turn on the notification bell found just below this tutorial in order to always receive our updates. So let's ride on. I hope you're enjoying the skills. If you're enjoying the skills, please keep a comment. Thank you. God bless you. So I'll go to the section of stickers. If you observe here, see below here, this is my tray. If you observe, this is my image here. Okay, and now this is the sticker that we just created. Okay, so you can just, you see, when you click on it, it appears. So this is a sticker that we just created. Okay, so you can use it on WhatsApp and other social media platform. I hope you enjoy the digital skill of tonight. Okay, and I'll advise you all to make sure that you click on the like button, you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you turn on the notification bell. I hope you are enjoying. See you in my next tutorial. This tutorial was brought to you by World Digital. Ciao, ciao. Please help share.